Hello, my name is Melanie Contreras, and today I'll be giving my presentation on TMRE. In this presentation, I'll be discussing 4 different topics. The first one is lab that TMRE is used in, what TMRE is, and why scientists use it. Lastly, I'll talk about future uses of TMRE. So here is the McCokie lab. The McCokie lab researches gut hormones and homeostasis. They use TMRE in their research to look at different cells in the body. So here is the full name for TMRE. It looks complicated, but don't worry, we'll say it together. It is tetramethylrhodamine, TMRE. TMRE looks just like this. It comes in a little bottle and it helps cells in the body glow. Researchers like the one in the McCokie lab will get an image of TMRE that looks kind of like this, which doesn't really make any sense to me and you, but to the researchers in the lab, they will use this image to draw conclusions on their research. Now, why do scientists use TMRE? Well, they use it for 2 different reasons. One, to test mitochondria's outer layer's health, and next, if mitochondria is damaged, TMRE will not glow and the mitochondria will not work. Now wait, what is mitochondria? Well, we know this. It is the powerhouse of the cell. It is where the cell gets its energy from. Next, I will do a TMRE walkthrough and kind of talk about the different steps that researchers used when they used TMRE. So the first step is transfect. Researchers will inject DNA into a cell. Then they will treat. This is when the mitochondria is damaged in the cell. This is so that TMRE can be injected in the label stage, and the mitochondria that is not damaged will glow. Then, in the imaging phase, they will use a microscope to look at the TMRE at a closer look. And that will lead you to an image that is seen in B of TMRE, where parts of the cell is glowing and parts of the cell is not. Now, what are some ways that people in their daily life would use TMRE? There's different ways, some of these being drug screenings, early disease screenings, anti-aging research, and personalized medicine. Personalized medicine just means your primary care or doctor will look at your mitochondria and pivot your treatment in order to do the treatment that's best for your mitochondria's health. Here are the references that I used in this presentation. Thank you so much for watching.